I snuck into my local Ace Hardware today, and it is all about the Blackstone Griddle. So let's show you all the features and benefits. Let's get cooking. Well, I'll tell you what, when it comes to the Blackstone Griddle, just another great tool that you can add to your backyard cooking tool collection, because I'm not looking to replace a grill. I'm not looking to take something away. I'm looking to add this griddle to really give me some more depth in my cooking. So let's dive in and talk a little bit about features. This is a 60,000 BTU griddle, right? It's gonna have 4 burners, 15,000 BTUs each, and then check this out, 756 square inches of cold rolled steel. You're gonna do things like grilled cheese, fish fillets, T-bone steaks, stir-fry night. You can do fajita night, breakfast for dinner, and more. This gives me a lot of options, and like we always say, 4 burners is gonna give me even more room and more opportunity to cook some things differently. Now, I like this too because it comes with some tool hooks. So now I have a place to hang my tongs, I have a place to hang my spatulas and more. But wait, let's go this way. Check this out. Now I've got a magnet as well, so I can hang things from the magnet, but I also have some great cooking surface or prep surface here on the side. I've got this side table, I've got that side table and more. Now, this does run off propane, so we've got our propane connector here, but the beauty of it is you can also wire this into your natural gas. So there is an adapter kit that will allow you to hook that up to your natural gas and hardwire that in there, and you will be set to go. So I'll tell you, a lot of good options when it comes to Blackstone cooking, but I'll tell you what, game changer right here. Look at this. Now I can have a lid that allows me to protect this so that when I'm done cooking it and I've cleaned it and I have everything ready to go, close that lid, keeping it safe. Put a cover over here, and this is gonna last forever. Talk about another great feature. Check it out, grease management system. Scrape all your grease, all your particles, all your crumbs right in here. And wait, hold on a second, hold on. It comes right into the back, goes right into here. So now you can fill that up, throw that away, add a new one in there, and you are set to go. Another great option too, check this out. Now you have the ability to have some different zones. With those 4 burners, you can now independently control those cooking zones, which is gonna give you even more options. Like I said before, I'm not looking to replace anything. I'm looking to add this to the mix, giving me yet more reasons to really hang out in the backyard and do some fun cooking. Now, when it comes to cleaning, very, very easy to clean, right? It's as simple as scrape it off when you're done, wipe it down nice, and keep it nice and clean. When it comes to seasoning, the starting process that you're gonna have to do to get this up and cooking, we've got a video for that coming up as well. So lots of tools, lots of gear. We have a lot of different options for you as well. So if you take a look here on our gear rack, you'll see a lot of cool different tools helping you become a griddle rock star. Tell you what, if a 4 burner is not your style, check this out here. We've got the 2 burner, which is now great for taking your game on the road, giving you maybe a little tailgate option. All right, look at this, the 22-inch tabletop griddle, now running off those small little 1-pound propane tanks, but this is great if you are in the camping world, in the RV world. Talk about an amazing option. Packs up, very small, very compact, but you can take this on the road on all your fun camping trips. Well, talk about another amazing tool to add to your backyard cooking equipment. This Blackstone definitely delivers. Now, you're gonna need to season it, and that seasoning video that will get you all set and ready for your first cook is coming up next.